Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, and life values from them and become thought leaders. This happened some time back. This happened to me, and I was driving my car, and in front of me, a truck, a large truck, a big truck, possibly that 16 16 tires, 8 on this side, 8 on this side, 3 sets, very large truck or something like that. This was happening on a highway where I was behind the truck, and this truck actually stopped and wanted to park near a dhaba. Dhaba is a place or a tea shop or whatever you can call it. There's a place, it's a North Indian kind of a restaurant. Punjabi restaurants are called as dhabas, especially on the highways. Wanted to park, so it started parking. It did all the other things. There was not plenty of space, so I was just waiting behind him. Then what happened is this guy got down and he parked his big, large truck and parked. And when he got down, the truck was even slightly moving. What this guy did was he just took a brick, a standard size brick, and put it under one of the wheels. In the between any one of the wheels, he put that. And such a big truck, such a large, huge truck came to a standstill, no movement at all. But a simple incident, but a profound learning for me. Simple thing, such a large truck which is moving, which is not very safe, and now it's still no movement just because of one rock. That's it, one brick which is put under it, and then it stopped. What did I learn? And what did you learn?
Coach, one small change can change a big habit or any habit that you have. If you want to change it, then you have to start by a small thing.
Very nice, wonderful.
Also, if one thing, small thing, if you stop, that will impact all your life, have a big impact on your life.
Okay, nice, both ways.
Nothing is permanent, everything is temporary.
Nothing is permanent, everything's temporary. Very nice.
Which actions have consequences.
Choices have actions, have consequences. Very nice.
Find solutions for issues.
Find solutions.
One thing we change in our life, the whole world and life will be changed.
Super, dear. Wonderful. Abhiram is so glad that you're pushing every day.
Have the clarity to analyze the issue.
Have the clarity. Very nice. Everybody, please participate. Rohit, participate. Morning rituals is for participation. Spurti.
One thing can change anything.
Oh my God. You start attending morning rituals every day. Start joining every day, dear. Others also, please participate.
Small things can bring a positive or as well as a negative change, depends upon the situation.
Super, very nice.
Use your time productive and useful. Don't waste it for a long time.
Super.
Take simple solutions at the start.
Very nice. विशाल क्या सीखा आपने? अजीत कोच, Sudhanshi, where is Sudhanshi?
Presence of mind.
Presence of mind. Sudhanshi, your contribution. Sudhanshi, 7 o'clock. After this, you give me a call, Sudhanshi.
There might be huge issues or huge things we want to change, but sometimes a small break can also give an impact to stop that, and then you can move forward with whatever you want to do.
So true. Very nice.
We don't need a complicated solution. It can be as simple, as small as the brick, and it can save a lot of things.
Yeah, true. Very nice.
In order to stop a big thing, you have to take small action.
Very nice.
Don't get stuck with the issue. Find solutions how you can stop it.
Wonderful. Sashikala ji, you joined late.
Yeah, very sorry for that thing. Tomorrow.
Sashikala ji, a big truck is moving. No, or பெரிய truck நிறுத்துறதுக்கு நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. They just put a small brick இல்லையா? That is what exactly to the story about. A big truck இருக்கும்.
Okay.
They put a small brick வச்சு நிப்பாட்டுவாங்க. பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா?
Mama. Yes.
The whole story was around that. That was the main central idea behind it. Yeah. So thank you so much, everybody. Wonderful, great sharing. Absolutely, everybody, all of you are absolutely amazing. Yes,
Ji?
small things. It is small.
Take steps instead of focusing on challenges. See solution.
Wonderful. Very nice. Great. Yeah. We don't have to do big things. We have to do sometimes very small things. Most of the time, actually, very small things will make a huge difference. Small thing makes big difference. Make sure that you have a presence of mind. Be aware. Watching that, I realize that sometimes we want to do big things, but at that particular moment, be present, be mindful, and do that small part. Yes. Sudhanshi, right now you focus here, my dear. Okay, focus here. Yeah, so sometimes you need to do just the small things at that particular presence of mind, and you can make a big impact. Be present. Thank you, all of you, for wonderful participation, great participation. Today, let's make a big appreciation for Fauzan. Can we give her a big round of applause to Fauzan? Fauzan completed. Fauzan been with us for quite some time now, almost more than a year. And now, yesterday, he earned a certification of 100 stories. He has already completed 100 plus. Can we give a big round of applause? He's been consistent. He's been consistently posting. He's been doing a wonderful part. Fauzan, we love you. Fauzan, how many stories you've done?
105, coach.
105. Can we give a big round of applause? Yes. I have been sometimes very tough on Fauzan, and Fauzan is so nice that he's able to understand that I am doing this for his own good, for his own welfare. Love you, Fauzan. Fauzan, you are fabulous, Fauzan. Fantastic, Fauzan. Fantabulous, Fauzan.
Thank you,
Love you,
coach. Thank you,
Fauzan.
coach.
Keep pushing yourself. After all, after some time, as we yesterday saw the story, no one, you saw that, no, what Harshita coach achieved. So after some time, no one's going to push you. No one's going to push you. You need to only push yourself. Love you, Fauzan. Once again, can we give a big round of applause? Fauzan has been putting every single day. He's been doing great. He does. All of you do 40. Fauzan does 100, 105. He does Super Brain Yoga on a daily basis. And from where he was to where he is now, very different. Very different. Yeah. Fauzan, love you, dear. Keep contributing. Keep pushing yourself.
Yes, coach. Of course, coach.
Yes. Everybody, please sit in Gyan Mudra. Yeah, Yukta, Gyan Mudra, sharp and full energy. Okay, Yukta?
Yes,
Yukta, you do not have, your school is not there today, correct?
School is there, I'm not going.
Gyan Mudra, set. Yukta sitting in Vajrasan?
Yes, coach.
From now onwards, everybody's eyes are closed. Zero movement. Spurti, no movement here. Yeah. 30 more seconds.
Not your nasal breathing.
Yukta, straight head. Left in, right out, right in, left out.
Deep breathing, 6 counts. Energies are lowest performance. Peak high energy, high intensity. Start. Okay, Ram, let's start with our gratitude. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, sir, for being focused on your goals, for being focused on yourself. Thank you, sir, for doing everything properly, for being kind, for being caring, for being compassionate. Thank you, sir, for always focusing on your goals, for always focusing on yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the support, your mom, your dad, for always being there for you, for guiding you, for leading you. Thank you, parents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, grandparents. Thank them for supporting you. Thank your whole family. Thank them for guiding you, for loving you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for leading in the right direction, for guiding you to the right way, for helping you moving to help you move towards your goals. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we would be alive today. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving your soul the purpose, soul the mind. A soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance with His life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Visualize the bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes to your head, goes on your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. It goes on your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, sandy toes. Head to toe to head, fully vested with bright white light. Now, on the right side of mind, to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, short-term goals. Your goals today, your goals tomorrow. Start. Let go of your hands, hands in your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm kind. I'm caring. I'm compassionate. I'm amazing. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. I am a superb human. Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wash. First one. Second one. Last one. Open eyes, see the world's better place.
Thanks, Ji. Thanks, Rika.
Coach?
Yes. Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. You're all superhuman. See you tomorrow morning. Decision leaders start joining a little early, my dear. Spurti, join early. And लक्ष्य आपको तो join करना ही है. लक्ष्य आप क्या कर रहे हो? Yeah.
Thanks, Ji.
Vishal, 7:45, please be here. Okay?
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.